Welcome to Herb Nerd TV, where we'll explore growing, cloning, breeding, and the science and culture and history of the world of cannabis.
In the soil, it's working away, fixing nitrogen every day, helping plants grow tall and strong. With Azospirillum, you can't go wrong. Azospirillum in the ground, making roots spread all around, boosting health, it's nature's friend, helping gardens grow again and again. With a little help from the tiny crew, your plants will thrive, that's what they do. Healthy soil, a garden stream, Azospirillum, part of the team. Azospirillum in the ground, making roots spread all around, boosting health, it's nature's friend, helping gardens grow again and again. So let it grow, let it thrive, with Azospirillum, plants come alive. With a little help from the tiny crew, your plants will thrive, that's what they do. Healthy soil, a garden stream, Azospirillum, part of the team. Azospirillum in the